Assalamu alaikum. Today, we'll talk about Islamic values in raising children.
Teaching Quran and Hadith is essential for spiritual upbringing.
Respect and patience are key for a child's spiritual growth.
Raising children is a path toward paradise. Next time, we will explore the verses of the Quran about paradise and hell.
Teaching good manners and habits is an Islamic value. Encouraging learning is part of Islamic upbringing.
A child raised with Islamic values is ready for the future.
Love and affection in the family are the foundation of upbringing.